Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akhona, and today I'm going to be showing you the quickest and the easiest way to do your nails. And guess what? No acrylic. So that means no damage to your nails, and also it'll be easier to take off. Some of the items we'll be using today are the nail polish, obviously, the actual nail sets, Vaseline, the filer, and also, of course, most importantly, the nail glue. So what you see me doing right here is trying on the nails and also at the same time pushing my cuticles back with the nails. So I didn't have to buy like a $3 or $4 cuticle pusher. I just used the nail tips as the cuticle pusher. So you see, trying them on and then also at the same time pushing my cuticles back. Now once you're done fitting on the nails and then pushing your cuticles back, the next thing to do is clean your nails. One of the very first things to do when cleaning your nails is making sure you wash your hands thoroughly. And then I just take some nail polish remover and clean out each hand. Next thing I do is file my nails, and this is just to ensure that the nails last longer and that they're also like a fitted fit when I put them on. Now that you went through all those steps, it's finally time to glue your nails together. And this next portion of the video, you'll see that it's super easy and super quick. Now you just take the nail filer and file it to the shape you feel is best. Before you put your nail polish on, make sure you put on a bottom coat, as you see that I am doing right now. So the next thing you should do is put Vaseline, or like grab some kind of oil. I didn't have oil, so I used Vaseline. It was the closest thing to me. And the way I rub it in is so ghetto, but the whole purpose of it is mainly to, when I put the nail polish on, it's easier to like, it slides on easily and it doesn't like mess up my hands or get on my hands too much. So please continue to watch the rest of this video to see how the nail polish slides on and how it really doesn't make a huge mess. After putting on your second coat, let your nails dry for a bit and then put your top coat on. Do you see the difference when I put Vaseline on one hand and when I didn't put as much on the other hand? See, Vaseline works and is very important. This is the final touch to my nails. See how pretty they are? But if you want to see more content like this, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell.